What up, my hot for food lovers and snack kids? It's your boy, comedian Chris Clarke, aka C-Snacks. So yo, Field Roast done dropped a celebration roast. What I mean by a celebration roast, they dropped like a vegan ham like roast. Come on. Now it looks just like ham, don't it? You can see the little ripples. Look it, you can see that? Oh, it looks just like ham, but there's no meat. It's straight vegan. And in the middle, inside, what they got going on, they got this like minced, and they stuff it right through the middle, is butternut squash, apples, and mushrooms, all in the middle inside. All in the middle inside. You know what I mean? Like this, yo, vegans, y'all are doing it big. Y'all are really doing it big. Like everything that you can have is meat, you have already for like, it's just not meat. And y'all just use vegetables and whatnot and plants. It's so gangster, man. Yeah. And the thing is, it doesn't take long on your stovetop, it doesn't take long. You know what I'm saying? So while you frying it up with the little slices, you could be jamming. Just doing your little dance. Till you're ready to serve. Hey.
You could do it with the English muffin. The English muffin. You could do it with the English muffin. Hey, English muffin. Hey.
It took me maybe like 10 minutes on the frying pan. So what I did, guys, you can see it. This is it, straight from the package right here, right? And then this is it, just on the saucepan, like slightly cooked. As you can see it, it's like slightly cooked. And I threw a little vegan butter and I threw it on the English muffin, you know? I put a little vegan butter on the English muffin. Then I put the field roast on it, and then I'm gonna enjoy it all by myself. I don't know which one I should try first. You know what? Let me just try it straight up as it is, all by itself first. Like to taste it? Here you go. Tastes nothing like ham, okay? They don't got that feeling like ham. It tastes like their sausage. Like their field roast sausage. I do taste like a little bit of that butternut squash. They don't have that mushroom taste. A lot of people don't like mushroom. It doesn't have that at all. All right, let me try it cooked a little bit. Let's do that. Like to taste it, here you go. I gotta say, it do taste better cooked. It's actually good. All right, guys, let's try it on the English muffin. Yes, let's try the English muffin. Yes. Like to taste it? Here you go. Oh. Man, that vegan butter slaps on that English muffin with this sausage. Damn. Well, I keep saying sausage. Celebration roast. This is good. Holy crap. Now, I wasn't even supposed to do that. You're supposed to just slice and have it like it's ham for Thanksgiving. Yo, but this goes perfect to slice it and put it on an English muffin for a breakfast. Toast the English muffin, throw a little vegan butter. Boom, you on your way to work. Perfect. So damn good. Oh my gosh. Man, that's a crazy good substitution, man. Just imagine it with other sides like that you would have in Thanksgiving, but the vegan type. This is good. Field roast. Damn. Man, excuse me, it's taking me a while to chew this bad boy. Maybe because I was eating it like a savage. Yeah, this is gonna be a part of my grocery list when I go shopping, guys. Yeah, if you find that field roast, celebration roast, go ahead and pick it up. It's definitely worth it. It's definitely freaking worth it, guys. Yo, Lauren, it's banging. I don't know if you tried it yet, but yo, it is banging. It's your boy, comedian Chris Clarke, aka C-Snacks. I'm doing it for Hoffa Foods. That's why I'm doing it, man. Big shout out to y'all, man. Peace.